How to turn off iPhone without screen. This can be helpful if your iPhone's screen is damaged or not working properly. Find the power button and volume down button on your iPhone. Now press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Hold them until the screen goes black. Now release both buttons. Wait for a few seconds and then press and hold the power button until your iPhone turns back on. That's it. That's how you turn off your iPhone without using the screen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.